All right, guys, let's do it again. Or try it again. So this is drop 133 for June 2026. This is the tier 2. I know we're going back in time. I just realized we should probably go over these boxes as well to see what you receive. So I was going to go over the most recent tier 2, but we sold them all. And that's unfortunate. It was a new glow-in-the-dark QSP, but this one's pretty badass as well. And I try to avoid, or I should say, try to avoid repeat brands at the same tiers. Like, we like to go a couple of cycles at least before we reintroduce the same brand. But that new glow-in-the-dark QSP was sweet and just had to have it for the box. Anyway, back in June for drop, what did I say, 133? We had the tier 2 name brand knife, which is a QSP Ferret. It's a recent release. It came with the QSP and it came with a monthly knife club sticker. That month it was the Cyber T-Rex. So like most QSPs, it comes with your goodies. You get a couple more stickers. They love penguins. I mean, who doesn't, right? And then you get your little specs. This had copper foil G10 scales. And a Nitro V steel drop point blade. The black on copper, to me, looks excellent. And liner lock with drop shutty action. Yeah, action on this is excellent. Ergos are excellent. Jimping. QSP's fit and finish is just spectacular. One of the best in the industry. Look at that, the copper foil. It kind of reminds me of a topographic pattern. But it's hard to beat that look. It'd be really cool to see this done in kind of a gold foil. I bet for some higher end knives they could do that. Look at that drop shut action. Gorgeous. Nitro V stainless steel. This only weighs 2.73 ounces. Blade length is 4 inches. Overall, 7 inches. Liner lock, Nitro V steel. Handle material, as I said earlier, is copper foil G10 scales. Drop point, ceramic ball pivot. That's how you get that drop shutty action. Let's try that again. All right. Blade hardness is HRC 60 to 61 for Nitro V. Let's look at the centering. Oh yeah, nice and center, nice and center. So the tier 2 cost $55 plus shipping and handling. The map on this knife, the map on this knife is $68, and the retail or MSRP is $79. So it only costs monthly knife club tier 2 members $55 plus shipping and handling. Again, map value is $68. So that's the cheapest you should be able to find it anywhere. It's so fidgety. Reversible pocket clip, lanyard hole. Gorgeous. I talk about the beauty of knives a lot, and that's something I look at. When we procure knives, we try to find stuff we want to own ourselves. I've heard people say, oh, you get leftovers. No, this is a new release. A lot of the knives we carry are new releases. Some of them have been out for a while. In some cases, if we get a really good deal and it's a spectacular knife, and we'll pick those up, like the Onyx for this particular month, not currently, but for June. I do believe it was the Wee Mini Malice, which has been out for a while. But they only paid $129, and the Mini Malice, I think, is like $180 plus. So, really sweet deal there. Anyway, tier 2s, more Onyx, more Ultimate Box unboxings coming. I'm trying to do this more regularly. First day with my new tongue. And because, let's face it, I've been neglecting our social media, and our YouTube views reflect that. So we're trying to mitigate that and correct it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. We appreciate your feedback as always. Have a good day.